Yeah, in the section, we have the server of the section name. So for the section, when we see the dot text, that one is the default code section. Data is the read or write data section, which is the global variable data. Normal is go here. Then the R data, the R is for the read only, so that means read only data section, such as the string literals and C++/com vtables. Then the I data is the import tables and E data is export table. After that, the resource table, we are using the RSRC, which is the short form for the resources. This section is read only and should not name anything other than this name and should not be merged into other section. Then the BSS section is the uninitialized data rarely found in the executable created with the recent linker. Beside that, also got the sum of the section, which is the CRT .crt, which is the data added for supporting the C++ runtime. Yeah, the CRT is from the C++ and RT is from the runtime. So .tls is the data for supporting the thread local storage variable, and reload, that one is the base relocation in an executable, generally only needed for the DLL and not for the exe file. And .s data is that means short, so that one there is a short read slash or write data that can be addressed relative to the global pointer. It used for the 64-bit architecture and others architecture that use a global pointer register. So for the SR data, yeah, these two is some different. So the R is show that is read only. So this is a short read only data that can be addressed relative to the global pointer and used on the 64-bit architecture and others architecture that use a global pointer register. And P data is the exception table. Yeah, last but not least, for the debug part, yeah, we have three type of the section tables. One of the section is .debug uh, $S, which is a code viewer format symbol in the object file. Debug $debug $T is code viewer type record in the object file, and debug $P is found in the object file when using the pre-compiled headers. Beside that, we also have the uh, DRECTVE, which is contain the linker for the directive and is only found in object files, and DIDAT is for the decay load import data.